Hello my YouTube family, welcome to Hafsa's Lifestyle. Hope you all are doing great. So yes, today I'm here with another unboxing video after a very long, almost a gap of 3 months. So without further delay, let's get started. This is what the packaging looks like. I have ordered TREGO's 2 skin lightening and brightening toners. And yes, this serum includes 5% glycolic acid and tartaric acid. It fights melasma, lightens skin tone, fights acne and provides glow. As you can see, it's mentioned on the bottle as well. In addition to that, it also reduces under-eye smell and dark patches on the body. So if you are living in Pakistan, you can order yours from trego.pk. Their website is already mentioned on the box. On the back, you can see direction of how to use it. I have personally finished 1 bottle of this toner and now I have ordered 2 more. This is what the bottle looks like. It has very watery and runny consistency, as you can see in the bottle. The results are 100% satisfying. TREGO also offers a wide variety of face-related products including anti-freckle serum, clarifying and hydrating toner, repairing toners and much more. I will mention the website's link down below in the description box so you can order yours from there. And this was about it from today's unboxing video. Hope you like it. If you did, do give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. See you in my next vlog very super soon. Take care, bye bye, keep yourself hydrated.